company is Drops of Vitality with Karen, and one of my passions is cooking with the essential oils. And the reason that I like to cook with the essential oils is, I suppose I have a few health issues, so there's lots of things that I can't really have in my diet, like cracked black pepper. So I use black pepper oil instead to enhance the flavour of my food.
So you can't have cracked black pepper at all?
No, or seeds or nuts. So
I guess I'm still learning about these, and I'm still amazed that you don't take the real product, but you can still get the same taste and intensity from an oil.
absolutely, absolutely. So these beautiful little oils are actually 30 to 70% stronger than any herbs or spices. And the reason being is because they are pure plant. So just take, just a matter of interest, right? So take your lemon oil.
Yes.
Take 60 lemons to make 1 gram of oil.
Wow.
Right? So because it's the zest of the lemon that's used for the lemon oil. Right? So it's not the juice. So therefore, in the morning when you have 2 drops of lemon in your glass of warm water, and it's the zest, so it doesn't actually affect the enamel on your teeth.
Yes, as we have talked about before.
Yeah.
Yes, so
Yeah.
fresh lemon, just be careful. This is better, much better. Yes.
Yeah. About, you know, and sometimes, you know, things like coriander.
Yeah.
You can't get coriander all the year round.
No, you
know,
can't.
because of the weather and stuff like that.
And it also goes off really quickly.
Yeah, it does. It does. It does. All right, so we're going to put in lemongrass, and we're just going to put in 1 drop, right? Because remember, these are really strong. They're 100%. When you are putting your oils in, if you hold it high, because then that way you will see the drop coming out. If you hold it low and do that, you might get 2 or 3 drops.
Okay.
Okay, so when you hold it high, you will
Yes.
see the drop actually
Oh,
coming
that's
out.
smart, because sometimes when I use mine into my water, it's like, oops, oh, that was a lot. Can
Yeah.
you show us the toothpick one as well? The
Yeah,
trick
sure.
with the toothpick, because a lot of people will still, go.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
So this is another way for beginners? Not
Yes,
yet?
exactly. So because I cook with oils all the time, I kind of know how much that I would want to put into a recipe. Right, so all you do is you do the toothpick, you do that, and then you will stir the toothpick in, right?
Oh, okay.
Then if you need more, you turn it round the other way, do the same thing again. You would then turn,
Yes,
you know,
yes.
until you get the flavour that you're looking for.
Yes.
So this can be quite a process,
Yes.
you know. The other thing, when you are adding your oils as you're going to cook,
Yes.
you can add a little bit more, because as you're cooking, not a lot of the flavour, but the flavour will cook out a bit more.
Yes.
The other way is, once you have cooked, you take it off the heat, then you can add your oils. That way I would definitely use less,
Oh, okay. Yes.
because
That makes
then
sense.
that's a full potency
Yes.
dosage of the oils.
Yes.
So, but because we're going to cook them out
Yes.
of it, I know that we can add at least 1 drop.
All right. Okay.
So the ginger, I'm now going to add 1 drop.
My director and cameraman and producer will love that, because he loves ginger.
I love ginger too. And we're going to do coriander.
Oh, yes.
Right, so just 1 drop of coriander. Now, I can assure you that you only want 1 drop of coriander. And that's the beauty though, you know, like if it's in season, then you can use your fresh herbs, you
Yes.
know. And what I find with ginger is like you can buy your ginger and then you have it in the fridge and next minute you go in to use it and it's all kind of shriveled
Yeah.
up. So
Yeah. find Karen on Facebook, YouTube or Instagram if you'd like more information. Karen, like me, likes to educate people and help people to make life easier and healthier.
Absolutely.
Bye for now.
Bye.